Hey DIYers, it's Devon, the DIY girl here. I am so excited to share with you a fun little DIY project for your backyard to spruce it up, make it a little bit more exciting for entertaining. And here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put some string lights up and we're gonna show you how to do it if you have just a wall with nowhere to put them. We're going to start by spray painting these rods black. These will go into your wall and we will string the lights from these. And for those of you watching, let me know if you have cafe lights in your backyard. Send me a picture of how you strung them up. I'd love to see. Here I'm just drilling holes into the top of our wall. We just measured out even spaces with the number of rods we had all the way around. Next, we're just going to fill each hole with a little bit of this epoxy and put the rod directly in. You have 20 minutes for it to dry. Okay, so once your rods are in, you're going to take the wire, and it's just all-purpose wire, and you're going to string it around each rod. And then, finally, hang your lights. We use little paper clips to hang them, and enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching this week. We do this every Thursday at 1 p.m. And please text DIY to 702-620-5546 for exclusive coupons. You can follow us on Instagram at DIYprojects.com and my personal Devon DIY. See you there.